Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to monetize your website, you're in the right place. Whether you're a blogger, a developer, or you just launched your first site, HiltopAds offers an easy way to earn passive income by displaying high-converting ad banners. First things first, if you haven't signed up yet, hit the link in the video description to create your HiltopAds account. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, log in and get ready for the next step. To get started, go to the Manage Site and Zone section, then navigate to the Website tab to begin setting up your ads. HiltopAds offers a variety of ad zone types to suit your website's needs, and I've already put together a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to add them to your site. From banner ads to more advanced formats, you'll find all the tutorials you need in the playlist linked in the video description. For this guide, we'll focus on setting up a 300 by 100 banner ad. Simply choose this ad size. Give it a unique name to help you identify it later. This ad setup is perfect for those looking to target mobile users exclusively. With HiltopAds, you can easily display your banner only on mobile devices, ensuring a seamless and optimized experience for your mobile audience. Once you receive the code, copy the entire script provided. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you've downloaded and activated the WP Code plugin. Once that's done, navigate to the Code Snippet section from the left-hand menu and click on Add Snippet. From the available options, select Custom Snippet and then pick the JavaScript snippet. To begin, simply paste the provided code into the designated area. Make sure that the insert method is set to auto-insert, which will allow the banner to be automatically placed where it's needed on your site. Next, ensure that the device type is set to any device, meaning the banner will be displayed correctly on both desktop and mobile devices without needing any adjustments. Once you've completed the setup, don't forget to activate the snippet to ensure it starts running, and then be sure to save the changes. This will ensure that the banner is live and functioning across all devices. As you can see, the HiltopAds fits perfectly into your site's layout, offering a clean and professional look. Plus, it's 100% clickable, meaning users can easily engage with the ad, helping you maximize your ad revenue without disrupting the overall aesthetic of your site. If you're wondering which ad format is the best fit for your website, HiltopAds offers a variety of options to choose from, including pop-under ads, in-page ads, video vast, video sliders, banners, and multi-tag ads, allowing you to select the perfect ad type to match your site's layout and goals. I've already created a full series of step-by-step videos that walk you through everything, from getting started with HiltopAds to verifying your site and setting up each ad format. If you want the complete guide, be sure to check out the full playlist link below. Here's a bonus tip you don't want to miss. With HiltopAds, you can earn a lifetime commission by simply referring others to the platform. For every active referral, you'll earn 5% of their lifetime earnings, completely passive income. So whether you're a content creator, blogger, or social media influencer, just share your referral link on your website, in your YouTube description, or across your social media platforms. It's a great way to grow your income while helping others discover HiltopAds. Even if you're a social media activist without a website, you can still benefit from your social media traffic. HiltopAds lets you monetize your audience across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Just check out the dedicated guides for each platform to learn how to promote HiltopAds and start earning. When it comes to withdrawing your earnings, HiltopAds supports multiple payment methods, so you can receive your income easily wherever you are. So what are you waiting for? Whether you have a website, a blog, or even just traffic coming from your social media accounts, you can start turning that audience into real revenue today. HiltopAds makes it simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. Click the registration link below, sign up for free, and take the first step toward monetizing your online presence. Don't let your traffic go to waste. Start earning now. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.